All strategies presented are exclusive to the broker highlighted in this video. Below the video in the description, you'll find the links to open your free account with the broker as a link to download the presented strategy.
Hello! Welcome to another video. In today's video, we will try to generate $5 using one of our scripts for the Deriv bot. The recommended minimum value is $50 with a recommended stop loss of $25. The value of each entry is $1. The profit expectation is $5. We always recommend testing first on a demo account to understand how the bot works and each new strategy presented here. If you feel confident in the strategy when trading on a real account, be aware of the risks involved. Visit our traderbot.com website. The link is right below the video in the description. There, you will find all the step-by-step to use our strategies for the Deriv bot. Great! We've reached the end and hit the goal again. Out of a total of 9 entries, we got 6 right and 3 wrong, closing with a profit of $5.49. Hit the like button to support the channel and subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.